Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing this simple yet creative design that I have made on my red colored kurti. I have made this design on the yoke area. If you want, you can extend this to the bottom also. So please keep on watching to know how I made this, and if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified as soon as I upload a new video. So I have marked yoke in the princess line style on this red colored cotton fabric kurti. Now I am marking intersecting diagonal lines in this yoke area using a scale. If you want, you can make straight yoke or you can cover the whole body's area as well. So I have marked the lines and it looks like this. Now I am using black shade of Fevicryl acrylic color and round brush size 0 to make small dashes on these lines that will give a look of running stitch embroidery. So I have made the lines and it looks like this. Now I am using golden shade of Fevicryl Pearl metallic color and round brush size 4, and I am making these small strokes around these intersecting points that will give it a look of a flower. And I'm doing like this on all these points. So I have done with this, and now I am using silver shade of Fevicryl 3D cone outliner to make a dot in the center of the flower. If you want, you can also use silver beads to fill the center of the flower. So my design is ready and this looks very beautiful and elegant. Thanks for watching guys, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to share your reviews with me and I will bring many more creative and interesting ideas in my upcoming videos. So till then, take care, bye bye.